In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the problem of your AirPods in here not connecting or simply not pairing with your iPhone device in here. In my case, I've got in here an iPhone 16 Pro, but do not worry, these steps are going to work even if you do have a different model of an iPhone device in here. And do not worry about the model of your AirPods as well. If you do have a different AirPod model than mine, do not worry, these steps are exactly the same. I'm going to guide you on how to fix this. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, first things first, whenever you open up your AirPods case, usually you'll be able to see this pop-up in here which says, hey, you've got AirPods nearby you, and it's going to ask you whether you want to connect, or it's going to simply show it to you that it's already connected. Now, I'm going to show you how to fix this if it doesn't show up in here with a couple of steps, but it's important for you to follow the steps in the specific order that I'll be showing them to you in today's video so you do not miss anything in the middle of the process. Now, first things first, the very first thing you want to ensure just before we start with the tutorial, you want to hop into settings real quick. You want to scroll down, tap on Bluetooth in here, and you want to ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. This is very important. Double check if Bluetooth is turned on. Okay, it's a basic step that you can also do it here by bringing down the control center and then double check here if Bluetooth is turned on. Now, it's a basic step, but sometimes we might miss it, and this will influence the connection here with your iPhone. Now, if this is not the case, double check if you do have charge here on your AirPods case. Okay, so you want to open it up. You want to see if it lights in here. It should light to show that it has charge and that it's actually working, okay? Because if you do not have charge, chances is it's trying to connect, but it's not able to actually connect because the AirPods are actually dead, right? Now, if you do not have the green light in here or any light showing up in here, what I would recommend you guys to do is to connect your charger, okay? Connect the first end here to your AirPod case and then the other end into your socket. You want to keep it connected to the charging wall and charge your AirPods for approximately 20 minutes. Keep it charging for 20 minutes and then after, simply disconnect the cable and see if the problem is sorted out by simply opening up and see if everything is working fine. Now, if this doesn't fix the problem, we're moving into the next step real quick. Now, in the next step, I want you to check for software updates here on your iPhone device. Simply hop into settings real quick and then scroll down, tap on general, tap here on software update and see if you do not have a pending software update. Double check this because in most cases, if you do have, for example, iOS 15 or anything below that, you might experience connectivity issues here while trying to connect your AirPods to your iPhone device. So double check if you do not have any software here pending for update. And if you do have a pending update, make sure you update your phone before continuing here into the next step. Now, if this is not the case, then we're going to actually need to reset the AirPods in here from your iPhone device. This is a very easy process. Do not worry, you won't lose any data or any sort of information here on your iPhone device. All you need to do is simply hop into settings real quick, okay? So if you've actually connected in the past with this iPhone, simply hop into Bluetooth, scroll down and search for your AirPods, right? For example, I do have in here Walter's AirPods Pro. Simply tap on I real quick and then you want to simply tap here on forget this device and then simply tap once here on forget device to forget the device. So once you forget the device, what happens? You actually erase that device from this iPhone list in here. It's not saved anymore, and this sometimes helps fixing bugs and glitches. Next up, we're going to move here into our AirPods once again, and now we need to perform the reset here from our AirPods. So basically, we do have two ways of resetting or AirPods. You might be having an AirPod here with the physical button at the back, or you might be having one without the physical button. So mine is a bit older, okay? It has a physical button in here. So if you do have a one with a physical button, you just want to open up the case and then you want to press and hold the button here at the back for approximately 30 seconds. Keep on pressing it and do not release the button until you see an amber color here blinking at the front. There we go. I'm still pressing and holding the physical button at the back. Once I see amber, I'm going to release that button and let my AirPods continue working normally. Now, you want to try connecting to your iPhone right now after resetting your AirPods. Now, if you do have an AirPod which doesn't have the button here at the back, all you need to do, you need to double tap here 3 times on on this color. So there's a sensor in here, and all you want to do is simply open the case, double tap, and then double tap one last time. This should reset your AirPod, and you'll be able to see the amber color here showing up on your AirPods case. Now, if it doesn't show, simply close it and perform it while it's closed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and this should reset your AirPods real quick. Now, once you're done resetting, you're gonna unlock your phone real quick, bring it close to the AirPods case, and then you wanna open up the AirPods case, and you'll be able to see a notification here which will allow you to set it up as a brand new device or simply connect it from scratch. Okay, so here we go, connect, and it's not connecting automatically because I've reset it and disconnected it here from my iPhone device. Now, if this doesn't help fixing the problem that you've got, last but not least, I would recommend you guys force restarting your iPhone device. Now, force restarting depends on the iPhone model that you've got. If you've got an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, an iPhone X, 11, 12, all the way to iPhone 17, in my case, I've got an iPhone 16 in here, all you need to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. This is how it goes. 1, 2, pressing and holding the power button, keep on pressing it, do not release the power button, just keep on waiting for a couple more seconds, and there we go, keep on pressing it. Once you see the Apple logo here, white color Apple logo, there we go, release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, what this does pretty much, it cuts all the power from your iPhone, which was being supplied by your battery, and then after a few seconds, it rejuices it back with battery in order to recalibrate all settings that you've made and improve processing in here on your iPhone. It's as if your iPhone is turning back on from a deep sleep. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus model, the process is a bit different. All you need to do is simply press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press and hold both of the keys combination until you see the Apple logo and then release both of the buttons combination. Now, if you've got an iPhone 6 or an iPhone with a physical home button down here, the process is the following. All you need to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button on the right. Press and hold both of the keys combination until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're gonna release both of the buttons combination and let your iPhone turn on normally. Now, if you do have a much older iPhone, such as an iPhone 5 or 4, please note that the power button is usually located here at the top of the iPhone. So in order to force restart, you'll need to press and hold the power button at the top along with the physical home button. Press and hold both of the buttons combination until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release both of the keys combination in order to let your iPhone turn on normally. This will help you recalibrating all the settings and forgetting those temporarily logged and temporarily files here stored within your iPhone device, and this will make the connection process become much smoother. I hope this video really helped you. If you do have any questions or any doubts, kindly let them down in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.